Hey there guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a printer in Orca Slicer. I repeat, we're in Orca Slicer today and I'm going to show you how to add a new 3D printer. So step number one is to go on up here in the left hand side here where it says your printer, right? And maybe you have a printer that you've already selected, but what we want to do here is we want to scroll down to create printer. This is where we add a new printer, right? This is where you can create a nozzle for an existing printer, like have a different profile for that as well. But you can also just create a new printer or add a printer per se. And all we have to do here is we have to select the type of printer. So maybe you have a Creality Ender, and then you just select the model here, the exact model. Then you choose the nozzle diameter on which you want to, or what your printer has essentially. And then you need to add your plate size or the printable space. You know, maybe it's 200 by 300 or whatever. Make sure you get that right because it's a huge deal. And then also don't forget to add your max print height. And then after that, just click OK, and then that's how you add a printer in Orca Slicer. Please consider subscribing, guys, to the channel. My name's 3D Print Dude, and I'm obsessed with 3D printing. I will see you in the next one.